Welcome to Wales and 100 metres, croeso. Welcome to Wales. You've made it. You're nearly abroad despite Brexit. You can go abroad to Wales. You're in 100 metres. You've made it to Wales. Oh, after the church graveyard to stop off at with vegan dogs. Mon petit chien. Croeso, you've nearly made it to Wales. You're abroad in 2 minutes. Croeso, welcome to Wales in 100 metres. You've nearly made it. Oh, le petit chien. Croeso to Wales. Look at those psychedelic shoes. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres away. You've gone abroad. Welcome to Wales. Oui, like you, oui, mon petit chien. Mon amour, a vitiligo vegan bellowed shepherd dog. Oui, Pulford is the final frontier. The final frontier to Wales is here. At the bridge, you've made it abroad. Never mind Brexit. Welcome to Wales in 100 metres. You've made it abroad despite Brexit. Welcome to Wales. Those psychedelic blue shoes will carry you far. Welcome to Wales, 100 metres away. You've made it to Wales. Croeso to Wales. Welcome, Croeso to Wales. Welcome to Wales, Croeso. Croeso or Croeso? Well, this is not the time to start looking it up on Google. No. Welcome to Wales. You've gotten abroad in 100 yards after the graveyard. Oh, the churchyard. Oh, welcome to Wales. Never mind. Oh. Welcome to Wales. You've made it to Wales in 100 metres. Oh, there's our friend. He hasn't got a Jack Russell this year. Oh. Welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales, Croeso. Despite Brexit, you've made it. Croeso, welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales. Croeso, welcome to Wales. You energetic chaps and chapesses. Oh, yes. Welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales. After the churchyard, you've made it abroad. You've made it abroad to Wales in 100 metres. Croeso, welcome to Wales. Welcome to Wales, Croeso, Croeso. And with the welcome to Wales.